fishing out Decatur. I'm gonna hit the flats. I was looking back at some of my old videos, and I was catching some fish in them. So we're gonna get out there and see if we can find a few before the storm comes. I only got to like maybe 10 o'clock, and it's just a little after 6 right now. You can see behind me, I don't know, it's the first time I've ever been at this ramp and there wasn't a boat already here, at least one. So I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign, but we're gonna find out. Just gonna go out here and pretty much just put the pedal down on casting and throw some rattle traps. Hopefully get around some stumps, some shell beds, and have one of them fat mamas just sitting there waiting on us. So here we go. Let's find it out. Oh, whoo! Oh yeah! I knew it was coming. Knew it was coming. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's why we're out here today, right there. Man, what a pretty bass! We're gonna see if we can get a 5-fish limit. See what happens. All right, full battery. Caught me a little gar. He's got a mouthful of teeth. How'd you get every one of them hooks in your mouth? I need my hook back. I have to fix my hook. It's loose. Well, I don't need to use that one no more. We'll put you up. There he is. A little bastard. They're up on the bank. Come here, buddy. You're gonna measure though, so that's good. Come it. That's a lot of good fishing right now, cause I'm messing with you. Woohoo! Measure. Yeah, buddy. That's a good one right there. Man, that's another freaking hoss. Boom! All right. That'll pay off right here at the end. I don't really like this rail trap, but at the same time I'm loving it.